this video, what I'd like to do is talk to you about registering a domain name. So far, let's recap. We've gone over, we've chosen a few different cities, okay, and we've chosen a few different niches. Now what I want you to do is choose one city, okay. In my case, I'm going to use Worcester, and choose a type of business, and I'm going to go with roofing contractor. So the very first thing that I would do is I would try for Worcester roofing contractor. Okay? That would be the absolute first domain that I would try and get. And I'd also copy that because there is a possibility that this is not going to be available. And it turns out, as luck would have it, Worcester roofing contractor is available. And I'm going to go ahead and register this domain because that's a perfect domain. But if it wasn't available, okay, let's just say it wasn't available, okay, what we would do is type in best, okay, use a word like that, best or great or top, something like that in front of a modifier for this domain name. It's all right to do that, okay. Now, this is also a very long domain name. So what I might try to do is try and get rid of contractor because I'd like to get the people that are searching for Worcester roofing too. So I'm going to just search for Worcester roofing, see if that's available. Worcester roofing is not available. Okay, so they're going to give us a couple of suggestions. None of those really work for me. So I'm going to go back to here and I'm going to type in best. Okay, and then I'm going to search for Worcester roofing. The domain is available. So what you want to do is you just click on the add to cart button. Okay, you're going to just click on the add to cart button and then click on continue to registration. It's going to offer you a couple of upsells. You can just click on no thank you. You don't need that. Now, on this page, it's going to ask you either for your customer ID or if you don't have an ID, if you're not a member at GoDaddy, if you've never registered a domain name, all you need to do is fill out this page right here. Click on next, okay, and then order the domain name, all right? You're going to just click on that and then order the domain name. GoDaddy, you can get the domain name for about $12 or $13, and it's going to be an investment that's well worth it. So I want you to click on next, fill out this information. Then on the next page, I went and I logged in. You can see it says Hi Mark up top. And then you choose the length of time you want to register your domain name. I just register it for 1 year. Then I'm going to click on next. It's going to offer you different privacy options. You can go ahead and buy these if you want. I generally don't buy these yet because I like to save money wherever I can, to be honest with you. I have a whole bunch of domains that are expiring there, but then we're going to get to this checkout page, and you're going to go ahead and over here, you can see that this domain, it's going to cost me $13.17 with the tax. Okay. And then you're going to continue, and you're going to click on continue to checkout. Then from here, they're going to ask you how you want to pay for it. I'm going to go ahead and use my PayPal account. If you've never used GoDaddy before, you'll have to enter in your payment information. And it's going to ask me if I read and understand the agreements, and then I'm going to place my order. Orders processing. Great. My domain has been registered. Everything's all set. And then I'll see you in the next video where we'll set up, we'll get a hosting account.